Good morning and welcome to the Netherlands. Welcome to the Dutch ride. I am on my way to the beach. I started my ride in Amsterdam, went around the back of Central Station, rode through the Haarlemmerstraat and passed by Westerpark. I have arrived in Haarlem. It's taking me about an hour and a half. So now I'm continuing on to Zandvoort after we have a quick look around here. The entrance to Haarlem. I'm about half an hour away from the beach. Unfortunately today it's a little bit cloudy. They're predicting the sun will come out, but so Zandvoort is not my end destination for today, but I will tell you a little bit more about that later. So I'm doing another overnight bike trip. But let's get to Zandvoort first. Let's do this little sidetrack, a little detour through the dunes. Currents flock. I made it to the beach. We are in Zandvoort. A dog stick library, how cool is that? I've never seen that before. But yeah, all the beach huts are set up. They are not here in winter time, and it's spring now. And they put them up. We've already had some pretty nice weather. Today is not particularly warm. Because when it is a nice day, a nice warm day I should say, this is just packed, absolutely packed. Being so close to Amsterdam, a lot of people come here. So yeah, today is a nice day. It's dry, a little windy, but The fish carts. They sell fried fish and herring and pretty nice. So yeah, I spent a lot of my summers here when I was a child. We used to have a little summer house here, and also when we didn't have that anymore, I used to come to summer camp, where they had these big tents set up here on the beach, and the bus or a big bus would pick me up from Amsterdam, and then we'd come here in the morning and do all sorts of activities, like there was a sports day and build sand castles and swimming activities and all that. It was great. I absolutely loved it. And then in the afternoon you take your own lunch, and then in the afternoon you hop on the bus and they drop you back off in Amsterdam. And I think that went on for a couple of weeks. I did that 2 or 3 weeks in the summer holidays in July, August probably. So yeah, it's very many happy memories here in Zandvoort. So where I'm heading today is called Noordwijkerhout. I have never been there. It is also on the coast, or close to the coast I should say. Noordwijk is actually on the coast, and I'm going to have another stay there with friends on bicycles, another overnight stay, because tomorrow I am doing something very exciting. So I'm heading to Noordwijkerhout now, and I'm hoping that I can actually cycle through the dunes. Maps is trying to get me to go on another road, but I'm going to check it out, see if I can cycle through the dunes, because that will definitely be much nicer. It's a nice looking beach. The water is not looking very attractive, not like in Australia. But a nice beach all the same. So I found the path through the dunes to go to Noordwijkerhout. It's 15 kilometers. It's so lovely here, out of the wind mostly, and the sun's come out. It's definitely warmed up a bit, and it's so beautiful here. I'm getting very close to Noordwijkerhout now. So as I said before, this is the bulb region and it's in full bloom. So it is very busy everywhere, but there's campsites everywhere here. Really nice ones. Nice tidy setups. White tulips there. Roadside stall. Look at this, look at this. Wow. I mean, I've seen it on pictures, but to see it like this, it is just next level. All these different colors. Nice and neat in their rows. So vibrant. Amazingly beautiful. Tulips here in this bag. This is the town square, I imagine. Photo opportunity in the flower chair. Some music happening here.
Als de buurthuis zijn doen aan je gooit je schoen en is samen pijn.
They're sticking these flower leaves on.
Beste muziek.
Having a early dinner, late lunch, here on the square in Noordwijkerhout. Good morning. It is now the next day. I have just left my stay at where I stayed with friends on bicycle, my host family, which was not a great experience. And I am on my way to where I am volunteering today to help decorate the floats with the flowers for what's called the Bloemencorso, which is happening starting tomorrow, where all the floats drive from Noordwijkerhout, or from Noordwijk, where I am now, all the way to Haarlem. I'll have to show you on the map where that is. So here is Amsterdam on the map in North Holland. So I cycled from Amsterdam to Haarlem, and then from Haarlem to Zandvoort here on the coast. And then I cycled through the dunes to Noordwijkerhout, where I am now. And so the flower floats, they drive all the way from Noordwijk, which is here, close to the coast. And so in one day, they drive all the way to Haarlem. A lot of yellow tulips there. It's rather cold today. My hands are freezing. It's a beautiful flower field. I will check which way I have to go. And this is where it's at. So is where they make the floats in this big shed here, I think. Just fields of colors.